The AMP biological system has kept on drawing financial backers who utilize the stage to investigate amazing open doors its environment presents, including DeFi, the crypto market, and NFTs. That is the reason we are proceeding to screen the crypto value developments of dynamic activities, including the AMP value expectation. As a fierce year for speculation markets attracts to a nearby, AMP's central financial specialist, Dr. Shane Oliver looks forward to 2023 and why there's space for idealism. SoundCloud, Spotify, Google, and Apple Digital Broadcasts. AMP got recorded on Bitstamp on the 7th of January 2022 and opened up on Vault, a bank for digital currencies that offers AMP holders support for exchanging, loaning, getting, and saving. Vault's supervisory group likewise ran into cash inconveniences. Due to how the market is at the present time, digital currency organizations anticipate that numerous clients should request their cash back. As such, the drop in the digital currency market is definitely not a detached case for a couple crypto-centered trades. Even the significant ones are involved. What's the future for AMP? As a computerized guarantee token, AMP can get any kind of resource clients need to move, like computerized installments, government-issued money, credit conveyances, and continues from property deals, as indicated by the AMP site. Exchanges are insured through an interaction called marking. The present AMP cost is $0, a 24-hour exchanging volume of $7,488,676. AMP is down 4.08% as of now. The ongoing coin market cap positioning is number 183. With a live market cap of $148,890,275 USD. It has a flowing stockpile of 42,227,702,186 AMP coins and a maximum supply of 99,444,125,026 AMP coins. AMP is 96.86% underneath the unequaled high of 12 cents. AMP Crypto AMP Digital Money is an Ethereum-based computerized coin utilized as guarantee to get exchanges and decentralize the gamble of resource move in decentralized finance. It is another computerized cash in the crypto market that gives a moment and flexible connection point for evident collateralization through an arrangement of guarantee parts and security directors. Outsider organizations can in a split second secure exchanges for different resources utilizing AMP Crypto. AMP insurance parcels are intended to collateralize accounts, exchanges, applications, and convey balances that are straightforwardly unquestionable on the blockchain of Ethereum. AMP guarantee supervisors are brilliant agreements that could be locked, delivered, and diverted to help esteem move exercises. AMP clients can stake AMP tokens to ensure monetary trade, for example, advanced installments, cash trade, credit installments, and property deals no matter what the agreement component. Prime supporter Tyler Spalding said that the startup progressively used its wallet administration while giving more concentrated programming answers for trader accomplices. AMP as of now works with organizations that utilization its administrations, including Flexa, CoinGecko, Gemini, Sushi, Uniswap, and numerous others. Moreover, AMP token backings a tremendous scope of purpose cases for insurance. Additionally, it presents the idea of predefined parcel methodologies, which could empower novel abilities like guarantee models for marking while never leaving their unique location. However, the DeFi market has seen a recuperation rally as of late. The AMP token neglected to stay aware of the energy as it keeps on declining. The AMP token has been on a negative direction since February following claims by the New York organization. The AMP token keeps on exchanging a combined reach close $0 to neglecting to break over its nearby obstruction level. Experts see as no indication of an inversion as the generally speaking crypto market saw a huge liquidation of $250 million yesterday in the wake of being harmed by conceivable premium climbs. Thus, AMP's cost is expected to expand its ongoing negative energy for the following couple of weeks. To plunge further into AMP's ongoing cost pattern, we should investigate our inside and out specialized examination to direct you through a productive money growth strategy in the midst of the market's vulnerability. AMP Value Expectation 2023 as per AMP Cost Forecast for 2023. There is a bullish pattern expected, which could bring about a most extreme cost of $0. The base worth is supposed to be $0, and the typical market cost is projected to be $0. The value levels of this digital currency could be impacted by its new turns of events and successive update. AMP Value Expectation 2024 for 2024. The AMP cost is supposed to arrive at a limit of $0, with a typical figure cost of $0, a base cost of $0. Also, assuming AMP structures associations with major blockchain networks, financial backers might acquire simpler admittance to the token, which could expand its reception and market cost. AMP Value Forecast 2025 of every 2025. Our AMP token cost expectation expects a most extreme cost of 1 cent. with a base cost of 1 cent and a typical cost of 1 cent. As blockchain-based applications become all the more generally embraced, AMP could encounter a critical cost increment. AMP Value Expectation 2026. AMP is expected to grow its bullish run market in the following couple of years. In light of our AMP cost expectation for 2026, AMP is anticipated to arrive at a most extreme cost of 1 cent, a base cost of 1 cent, and a typical market cost of 1 cent. AMP Value Expectation 2027. Of every 2027, our AMP token cost estimate expects a pinnacle cost of 2 cents, with a typical cost of 2 cents and a base cost of 2 cents. The scaled-down charges, straightforwardness, security, and quicker exchanges related with AMP could add to a cost flood. AMP Value Expectation 2028. In view of our AMP cost forecast for 2028, AMP might exchange at the very least cost of 3 cents, a most extreme cost of 4 cents, and a normal typical cost of 3 cents. As one of the most mind-blowing performing computerized coins, there is probably going to be a popularity for AMP later on, which could drive up its cost. AMP Cost Expectation 2029. As per our AMP estimate for 2029, AMP will exchange at a most extreme cost of 5 cents, showing an expansion in the ongoing cost of up to a critical degree. The computerized coin is supposed to keep a typical exchanging worth of 5 cents and a base cost of 5 cents consistently. AMP Value Expectation 2030. As indicated by our AMP cost expectation for 2030, AMP is anticipated to contact a most extreme cost of 9 cents. From that point onward, AMP is expected to have a huge expansion in the cost help level, prompting a base cost of 7 cents and a typical market cost of 8 cents. AMP Value Expectation 2031. In light of our AMP cost forecast for 2031, the AMP cost is anticipated to proceed with a vertical meeting, arriving at a most extreme expected AMP cost of 13 cents. The cost indicates a significant descent over the ongoing rate available. A base cost of 11 cents and a typical cost of 12 cents are expected, as the token has a great deal of commitment and could draw a ton of clients, which could influence this high estimating. AMP Value Expectation 2032. Our AMP cost forecast for 2032 shows a huge siphon in the cost outline, as AMP is supposed to have a completely bullish year with heaps of potential gain changes. Remembering this, the most extreme cost of AMP in 2032 is supposed to be 19 cents, with a typical exchanging cost of 16 cents and a base cost of 16 cents. And financial backers seem to like AMP's creative way to deal with the speed versus security problem. While the coin saw some outcome in 2021, there is no affirmation that this achievement will last proceeding. Accordingly, you ought to constantly direct your own exploration prior to purchasing. By utilizing collateralization to shield exchanges, AMP has fabricated a quick and secure organization. AMP might possibly form into a favored organization for exchanges, since this arrangement is unmistakable. The bear run of 2022 made AMP shed more than 80% of its worth this year. The notice of AMP in the suit documented against a Coinbase